Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl MIIMIIMARIEE, and I'm back at it again with another video for y'all. In this video, you feel me, I did this look right here. So if you're new to my channel, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button, turn on that little notification bell, and just continue watching my videos.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody.
I'm doing a recreation of a picture that I seen on Instagram. I'm gonna put her Instagram in the description box below. So I'll be looking down at my phone and trying to recreate this look. Hopefully it comes out really good. So I already applied the first base. I'll be going in with my Sephora Pro palette, and the shade that I applied first was this shade right here. So now I'm just going to continue to blend out the shade. Yeah. So I'm gonna just like blend that out very lightly. So I'm just gonna like clean off my brush, and I'll be using this brush again in the future. The next shade that she went in with was like a pinkish raspberry shade, which is this shade right here. I'll be using because that's like the closest shade to that look. And I'm gonna go on my pencil, like this pencil eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to apply that like in my crease. Like I said, I will be using this brush in the future, and now I'm just gonna like blend that in. By the way, this is something really different for me. Like, I normally will like bring my eyeshadow out more, but like focusing only like in like this area, it's kind of like different for me, but hey, why not? Okay, we getting somewhere. Okay, so now she did like a cut crease, and she added in the yellow right here, the orange, and then that raspberry pink. So I'm just gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna be using my concealer brush, and I'm gonna go in with a light concealer. I think I'm gonna go in with light concealer. Let's cut my crease. So I'll be going in with my Wet n Wild concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Tawny. Alright, so I'm gonna just put that concealer in the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna pick some up, and now hopefully I don't mess up this look. Okay, so she cut the whole crease right here. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm really not good at cutting my crease. Like, I have my days where like it comes out really good, but I'm not a pro at this. So to see that it came out really good, kudos for me. I don't know if she set her concealer, but I'm going to. So I'll be going in with like this little brush, and I'll be going in with my Better Naked palette, and I'll just be using like this white shade right here. So I'm gonna start with the raspberry shade first. So let's see. So I have 3 flat brushes, and instead of me like wiping them off, so I'm just gonna go in with the first flat brush, which is the one I'm gonna use for the raspberry shade, and I'm just gonna put it right here at the end, because that's where she have hers, at the end. Okay, so got the raspberry. Now she does orange in the middle, so I'll be going in with this flat brush, and I'll be going in with that orange shade right there. Okay, we getting somewhere. We getting somewhere. Definitely are. Okay. And then right here she puts the yellow, but there's a catch. She puts the yellow and then she adds glitter over it. So let me see, do I have a yellow shade in here? I don't. I have the yellow shade in another palette, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this palette right here. I don't know the name of it, but I'll be going in with this yellow shade right here, and I'm gonna be going with this brush. Okay, it's showing. Okay. Okay. I was getting nervous for a second. I thought it was not gonna show. I'm happy. So I'm just gonna go back in with that that pencil brush I had. And I'm just gonna go back in with that raspberry shade. And I'm just going to see where the concealer messed up a little bit. I'm just gonna like go back in with that and just add that shade back in the middle. So I'm really feeling it like this. It really came out good. So now I'm gonna add that gold. I just applied some lashes. She have on some thick lashes, so I did the same. I'm gonna go on my, wait. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this little brown pencil. I'm just gonna outline my lips. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And I'm just gonna add some of that right here, because it looks like the color she did. Okay, and I'm gonna go over this shade with same thing, but it's like a little bit more gloss, but it has a matte finish. And last but not least, I'm going to set my face. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna like do my hair and everything, like try to feel the look even more. This is the finishing look. I'm really feeling the look. Yeah, and I put on a little yellow shirt too, because you know, brings out the look even more. See you in my next video. Bye y'all.